For God so loved the world that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish but have eternal life. John chapter 3, verse 16 New International Version, NIV.
Hello friend. Welcome to our special corner.
I will now discuss to you the measures of central tendency. So we have here mean, median, and mode. So this is our given data. Our data is the scores of 7 students in math. So their scores are 7, 6, 8, 8, 9, 5, and 4. Okay. To get the mean of these scores, our formula is the sum of scores divided by the number of scores. So now we will add all the scores. 7 plus 6 plus 8 plus 8 plus 9 plus 5 and plus 4 divided by 7, or the number of scores. So we will add the scores. 7 plus 6 equals 13 plus 8 equals 21 plus 8 equals 29 plus 9 equals 38 plus 5 equals 40 plus 4 equals 47. So 47 divided by 7. So we will divide 47 by 7. 47 divided by 7 equals 6. So 6 times 7 equals 42. 47 minus 42 equals 5. And 7 times 7 equals 49. 1. Okay, so this is our mean. So our mean is 6.71. This is our mean. We will now proceed to our median. To get the median, first we will arrange the scores. From highest to lowest, or lowest to highest. Okay, we will arrange the scores. Let's use the highest to lowest. So first 9, 8, 8, 9, 8, 8, 8, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4. 7, 6, 5, 4. Okay, so here's our scores. Second, let's locate the middle number. Okay, so the middle number here is the 7. So 7 is the median. Next, mode. So our mode is the most frequent number, or the number that appears most often. So in our data, 7688955. So the number that appears most often or frequent is the number 8. Okay. So our mode is 8.
So this is all for now. See you in our next lesson. Thank you and God bless.